Constitution of India. Part 2. Citizenship. Article 6. Rights of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Notwithstanding anything in Article 5, a person who has migrated to the territory of India from the territory now included in Pakistan shall be deemed to be a citizen of India at the commencement of this Constitution, if he, or either of his parents, or any of his grandparents, was born in India, as defined in the Government of India Act, 1935 as originally enacted. And, in the case where such person has so migrated before the 19th day of July, 1948, he has been ordinarily resident in the territory of India since the date of his migration, or in the case where such person has so migrated on or after the 19th day of July, 1948, he has been registered as a citizen of India by an officer appointed in that behalf by the Government of the Dominion of India, on an application made by him, therefore, to such officer before the commencement of this Constitution, in the form and manner prescribed by that government. Provided that no person shall be so registered, unless he has been resident in the territory of India for at least 6 months, immediately preceding the date of his application.